Laser spot welding machine. Appearance can be customized. Mainly used for processing jewelry, dental laboratories and other precision device processing. We launched a new 80-watt laser spot welder this time, with a new one-piece seamless design. This model is highly integrated, and the appearance is full of muscle lines. In the built-in water tank, click Start to start one-click automatic pumping. CCD display can realize 120-degree adjustment. Run the control software. You can adjust the required parameters on the main interface. Support multi-language. We can accept customized languages for customers. Both CCD and microscope can magnify 10 times, the light spot can be adjusted from 0.5 to 2 mm, and the processing accuracy is very high. Used for jewelry welding, large welding depth, beautiful welding seam, and strong welding. Easily melt gold and silver thread to repair jewelry. Not only that, it can also be used to repair watches, 3C devices, etc. It is packaged in a recyclable wooden box, which not only ensures the firmness of the package, but is also very beautiful.